What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. As you all know, we're here in New Hampshire for Bike Week, and today is a beautiful Sunday morning. We're with the fellas. We're heading up to Mount Washington to redeem myself from the tip over I had when it was about 80-mile-an-hour winds up there, and I am here to do it again. I wish my boy G was here with me, but he couldn't go, so I'm here to represent him. But if I could do it, then he definitely could have done it. So yeah, we're getting ready. We're about from the house. We were about an hour and 50 minutes away, and right now we got about an hour 30 minutes. So we got another 48 miles left till we get to the Mount Washington, and then we'll report once we get all the way to the top. I will give you some commentaries as we're going up the mountain, and I'll give you the exact part and place where I actually tipped over. All right, so we'll get back to you once we are paying to get up there. All right. Like I said, I would like to thank John for inviting me to this wonderful weekend with the fellas. I mean, it is an experience. We got to know each other a lot more. I met John through YouTube, and we just took off from there. And he has his buddy as well, Glen and Gil. What an experience of a trip for the weekend here in New Hampshire. Like I said, I'd like to thank John for inviting me, and don't worry about it, we got more trips coming up this year. We will be going to Tennessee to Tail of the Dragon. Who else? We're going to Maryland for Bike Week in September. We might do Americade also in September. I think it's back-to-back week, so it's gonna be a long week. We'll definitely have a lot of footage for you guys there. And yeah, great experience this weekend. Like I said, we're heading up to Mount Washington right now, and just can't wait to get up there, man. Can't wait. We made a little quick stop here on the highway heading to Mount Washington for this nice little scenic view of this water going here. I'm gonna let you guys check it out. This is impressive, man. Look at this, so beautiful. Natural waters. I actually walked all the way down here because I wanted to show you guys what a beautiful view and sound this is. Imagine waking up every day in the morning to this. It's just wonderful. Look at this. Fantastic. And look, I think right up there, let me see, right over there is Mount Washington. So we got about 30 minutes to go, and we're gonna see you guys right up there. About 30 minutes left to Mount Washington. Decided to stop by here and check it out. Beautiful, beautiful view. Love the sound of the water. See you in Mount Washington. So I was looking at John's bike, and Gil says, Glenn said that he's trying to cool off. Right?
I think so. I don't know. It's holding its wings out like that. Why would it do that?
It's stretching. Okie dokie, so we have arrived at Mount Washington. It's all the way up there. Look at that baby. That is high. So exciting, can't wait. A lot of bikes here, beautiful weather. Beautiful weather out here. Excellent conditions. Weather is amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the beginning of Mount Washington.